Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Economic Guy channel. Today we embark on a journey into the heart of Ukraine's economy. Buckle up as we unravel the macroeconomic indicators, the impact of recent events, and the fascinating world of Ukrainian exports. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our insightful content. To navigate Ukraine's economic terrain, let's dissect some key macroeconomic realities. Over the past decade, Ukraine faced a formidable challenge, a substantial average inflation rate of 14% annually. Despite initial improvements, the recent conflict rekindled inflationary pressures. The strategic objective now? To curtail it significantly, aiming for a more sustainable 7% by the year 2025. Now onto the interest rate landscape. With an average of 14.25%, the interest rates in Ukraine paint a picture of a financial scenario where the real rate for savings is notably low for its citizens. This presents a challenge for individuals looking to grow and preserve their savings amidst economic fluctuations. Fast forward to 2021, and Ukraine's gross domestic product, GDP, undergoes noteworthy changes, attracting attention from prominent credit rating agencies. Fitch rates it as CC, Moody's as KA, and Standard & Poor's as CCC. These ratings encapsulate the intricate challenges within Ukraine's economic structure. Looking ahead, the forecast for Ukraine's GDP is optimistic, with projections indicating expansion ranging from 3.5% to 4% in the next 2 years. This projection sets the stage for a dynamic economic landscape, showcasing both challenges and opportunities on Ukraine's journey to financial stability and growth. Ukraine's GDP is a mosaic of sectors, with wholesale and retail trade at 14%, agriculture at 11%, manufacturing at 10%, mining and quarrying at 6%, and information and communication at 5%. Ukraine has earned a distinguished reputation in Europe, standing out prominently for its prowess in both metallurgy and agricultural production. This dual specialization comes as no surprise when considering that over 55% of Ukraine's expansive land is arable. This significant percentage has rightfully bestowed upon Ukraine the well-deserved title of the breadbasket of Europe. With an extensive landscape primed for agricultural activities, Ukraine not only feeds its own population but also plays a pivotal role in supplying essential food products to the wider European community. The harmonious blend of metallurgical strength and agricultural abundance positions Ukraine as a multifaceted contributor to the economic and industrial tapestry of the European continent. Now let's shift our focus to Ukraine's exports. Agriculture dominates at 41%, followed by metallurgical products at 23.5%, and mineral products at 9%. Now let's zoom in on Ukraine's agricultural prowess. Wheat, sunflower oil, and corn reign supreme in Ukraine's agricultural exports. In 2021, wheat exports valued at $5.1 billion, with top markets being Egypt, Indonesia, and Turkey. Ukraine exported a staggering 19 million metric tons of wheat. This impressive figure solidifies Ukraine's position as the seventh largest global producer, contributing significantly with 4.3% of the world's total wheat production. Moreover, as an exporter, Ukraine proudly holds the fifth rank, accounting for 9% of the market supply. What's particularly noteworthy is that a substantial 65% of Ukraine's wheat exports find their way to developing countries. Now let's shift our focus to sunflower oil. A global leader with $6.1 billion in exports, finds its largest buyers in India, the EU, and China. In 2021, Ukraine exported 4,950,000 metric tons of sunflower oil. This not only cements Ukraine's position as the second largest global producer, responsible for a remarkable 30.6% of the world's total sunflower oil production, but also crowns it as the leading exporter, holding the prestigious first rank with a significant 46% of the market supply. Lastly, let's explore Ukraine's corn exports. A $5.9 billion export sees major destinations in China, the EU, and Egypt. In 2021, Ukraine shipped out an impressive 23 million metric tons of corn. While Ukraine ranks as the sixth largest global producer, representing 3.5% of the world's total corn production, it takes the fourth position as an exporter, accounting for 12% of the market supply. Ukraine emerges as a pivotal player in meeting the global demand for essential commodities, particularly for corn and wheat, thus establishing a crucial presence in the international supply chain. This underlines Ukraine's vital role in shaping the dynamics of this indispensable commodity on a worldwide scale. In essence, Ukraine's agricultural exports, encompassing wheat, sunflower oil and corn, not only make substantial contributions to the global production landscape, but also firmly position Ukraine as a key influencer in the international market. The noteworthy aspect that a significant portion of these exports finds its way to developing countries accentuates Ukraine's profound impact on enhancing food security and fostering economic development in these regions. As we transition from Ukraine's pivotal role in global agricultural exports, a closer look at its geopolitical ties unfolds. Historically, Russia held the coveted position as Ukraine's largest trading partner, accounting for a substantial 14.2% of imports and 7.7% of exports in the year 2018. However, the geopolitical landscape underwent a significant shift in 2021 due to the war. China seized the spotlight, emerging as Ukraine's primary trade partner with a remarkable 15.1% share of imports, witnessing a notable increase from 13.3% pre-war. In tandem, China's export share also soared, reaching 11.8% in 2021, a considerable leap from the modest 4.6% recorded in 2018. This pivotal transition signifies a transformative moment in Ukraine's trade dynamics, illustrating the nuanced impacts of geopolitical events on its economic relationships. Diving into the aftermath of the war with Russia, the economic landscape of Ukraine witnessed significant fluctuations in key commodities. Let's dissect the impact across various sectors. Check price of corn. Since the onset of the war, the price of corn experienced a remarkable surge, reaching unprecedented levels. However, the trajectory has taken a sharp downturn, plummeting to an all-time low since the conflict's initiation. This roller coaster ride in corn prices mirrors the volatile nature of the agricultural. Iron ore. The realm of iron ore witnessed a nuanced shift. Prices, though still elevated compared to pre-war times, have seen a considerable decrease. The overall trend indicates a notable drop, reflecting the complex interplay between geopolitical events and the global iron ore market. Steel. In the aftermath of the conflict, steel prices underwent a recalibration, settling at an average level consistent with the last 5 years. This stabilization marks a return to a more predictable pricing environment, offering insights into Ukraine's efforts to restore economic equilibrium. Sunflower oil. Despite Ukraine's significant production capacity in sunflower oil, the prices of this essential commodity have remarkably stabilized, returning to a state of normalcy. This resilience in the face of geopolitical turmoil showcases the robustness of Ukraine's sunflower oil industry. Wheat. Wheat prices, while still retaining a slightly elevated position post-war, pose a unique challenge. With 65% of Ukrainian wheat earmarked for emerging countries, the impact is keenly felt in these regions. Developing nations heavily reliant on Ukrainian wheat face heightened challenges due to the increased cost, highlighting the intricate web of dependencies in the global food market. In essence, the post-war economic landscape in Ukraine reflects a delicate balance of recovery and adaptation. As the nation navigates through these fluctuations, the resilience of its key industries becomes a testament to the enduring spirit of the Ukrainian economy amidst challenging times. As we draw the curtains on our exploration of Ukraine's economic journey, we've unraveled the intricate threads that weave its diverse economic tapestry. From macroeconomic challenges to the dynamics of key export sectors, and the profound impacts of geopolitical shifts, Ukraine's resilience and adaptability shine through. If you found this deep dive into Ukraine's economic landscape enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe for more insightful content on The Economic Guy. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. As we continue our journey through the complexities of global economies, stay tuned for more engaging explorations. Thank you for joining us on this odyssey, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay connected.